And we're continuing to cover this breaking news in Italy and Peru, where he spent much of his life with impacts all over the world, including right here in Colorado. I'm Michelle Griego. Tina Kraus reports from the Vatican on this historic day.
The suspense is over. White smoke billowed out of the chimney atop the Sistine Chapel, signaling there is a new pope. The crowd in St. Peter's Square erupted in excitement. For the first time, an American has been chosen. The Cardinals elected Chicago native Cardinal Robert Prevost. He holds dual citizenship with Peru and speaks Spanish. He's seen overall as a centrist. On some key social issues, he's viewed as progressive. He has long embraced marginalized groups, a lot like the late Pope Francis, who championed migrants and the poor.
The church has a father again, and that gives me great joy.
The papal name he chose, Leo XIV. This was the largest conclave ever, with 133 cardinals participating from 70 countries, the vast majority appointed by Pope Francis. Ahead of the conclave, a CBS News poll found a majority of U.S. Catholics wanted the next pontiff to continue the teachings of Pope Francis, but more than a third hoped for someone more conservative, while 21% wanted someone more progressive.
And bells ringing out from Denver's Basilica of the Immaculate Conception. And we're there now hearing from Coloradans about the new American Pope. We're going to hear from them at 4 o'clock. We'll be right back.